Oh yeah, and we love this for us. And y'all, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Lady J, back again with another video. You guys can see that I have my bonnet on, so that means we are going to be doing a wig install today. Today I do have a wig from a company, UNice here, that I will be installing today, y'all. I saw this wig on the website. This video is not sponsored. I saw this wig on the website and I fell in love with it, so I was like, I'm gonna buy it. So the wig that I got from the company is the Ombre Honey Blonde Highlight Lace Curly Human Hair from the Bettyou series. I think it's 24 inches. It was the longest one that I got. Yeah, 24 inches, 13 by 4. It's only 150% density. So I'm gonna install this wig. Today I'm not really doing anything. Today's a pretty much casual day. I'm gonna get really cute, do my hair and take some pictures. And on casual days, I love to feel pretty, even though I'm not really doing much at all. So I wanted to change my wig so I can take some pictures. And I just wanna feel cute today. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put on my wig and be the baddest ever. Along with being the baddest, you have to look good, okay? Feel me? And when you look good, you want to smell good. And I got some sense for you all right here. Honestly, I love to feel pretty. I love to feel good, look good, and smell good. And today, Dossier is going to make sure we are smelling the best possible. Today's a very casual day, and I'm going to be using one of my favorite scents. Right now, it has to be like my signature scent. Like, I'm stuck on fruity and floral, and this is what this scent gives. The scent that I'm talking about is the Fruity Jasmine from the company Dossier. Dossier provides high-quality luxury perfumes at an affordable price. Dossier provides high-quality perfumes minus the super crazy prices. They have luxury scents inspired by your favorite designer scents like Dior, YSL, Prada, J'adore. All of them, literally. Dossier is big on staying green and clean, so all of their perfumes are vegan and cruelty free, which we love because we love the animals. Dossier sells their perfumes starting as little as $29, so you only spend $29 for this full bottle of luxury scent, guys. And I love this scent here. Is literally my favorite. I'm going to spray some right now. I love this scent, guys, and I feel like all girls need to have their signature scents for everyday use. All girls need to know their signature scents, and if you want to find your signature scent, make sure you head over to Dossier and tell them I sent you and use my code for some money off. All of the information will be down in the description. I smell good now, so I'm going to get on into this wig. Under my bonnet, I already have on my cap. All I have to do is install my wig. I've already plucked everything, and I washed my wig as well. So we're just gonna go right on ahead and get right into this video. If you're new here, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Lady J. If you are existing subscriber, hey y'all. If you haven't already, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like the video. If you like the hair, give it a big thumbs up. Drop down some comments and let me know what you guys think about this wig. And we're just gonna go ahead and get started because I have to go before the sun sets. Oh yeah, and we love this for us. Now let me do the baby hairs, and then we're pretty much done. And I love curly hair because all you gotta do is wet it and you're straight. So you guys know the drill. I'm about to do the baby hairs, and then I'm gonna use my hot comb and hot comb this bad boy in. Okay, so we are finally done. I don't know if you guys noticed, but I love side parts for curly hair. And y'all, I think this hair is literally the best. Look guys, baby hair is good, lace good. Ooh, and the curl pattern is so freaking cute, and I love the highlights. Ooh, I love this wig. Yeah, so I guess this is the end of the video. I hope you guys love this wig. I'll put all of the links down in the description just in case you guys want to purchase, along with my coupon code for Dossier if you guys want to get some perfume. Thank you guys for watching. Love you guys the most. See you in the next video.